Is your data scattered across different systems, making analysis harder than it should be? Introducing the preview of the new Get Data experience in Power BI, a redesigned way to discover, connect, and prepare data faster in Power Query. Here's what you need to know. Why was this feature introduced? As the number of connectors and data sources in Power BI continues to grow, finding and connecting to the right data can become more complex. Microsoft redesigned the Get Data experience to make data discovery faster, simplify connection flows, and create a more accessible and user-friendly experience. What's new? The new Get Data experience introduces a modernized interface designed to help users discover, connect, and transform data with less friction. A streamlined navigation pane now makes it easier to quickly access recent data, OneLake catalog, blank queries, and other commonly used options. A simpler and more connected data experience. Connecting to data is now more cohesive, reducing the need to jump between multiple dialogues. Settings, authentication, and connection configurations are now managed in a more unified flow, helping users move faster from selecting a source to shaping and analyzing data. Designed for accessibility and usability, the redesigned experience includes full keyboard navigation support to make workflows more efficient and accessible without relying heavily on a mouse. It also supports dark mode, creating a more comfortable viewing experience across different environments. What's the impact for users? The new experience helps users spend less time searching for data sources and move faster into analysis and modeling. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, it creates a smoother and more efficient workflow in Power BI. Get started. Open Power BI Desktop and navigate to File, then Options and Settings, then Options, then Preview Features to enable the new Power Query experience option. Restart Power BI Desktop, select Get Data, and start exploring the redesigned experience. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.